Right. Let's dive in. Let's go. Am I live? Should be live. Hopefully. It's weird because I do see that connection is good, guys. So extremely sorry about that. But we're live again. We're live. Let me just check here with my mods. Hola. Yes. What is up, my crypto legends? So we got a little bit of pumpy action here on Bitcoin. Not much volatility going on. Let's go quickly through the comment section again. Back on the live. Yo. Right. Anti-manipulation is done. Yo, Alice. Hey, back. It's lonely in here. You're alive. I am. DXY dropping a lot. We're back. Let's do it. DXY dropping. Well, latest analysis that we did do on the DXY was it kind of losing momentum. Basically we had this ascending channel on the DXY from higher lows, right? As soon as you start getting, a lot of sideways action, we did get a confirmed breakout yesterday, but of course what happened? We came back up, retested the highs and also the higher low support level, and it's lost momentum, so that correction is very, very possible, guys. It's exhaustion in the short term. Hey, I'm not saying that DXY cannot do this, which I do think it can do. If we correcting, we need to start eyeing some big major support levels that could get supported for that next bounce and that next leg up in the next coming days. But right now we're getting a drop on the DXY. We're getting I was going to say pumpy action on the stock market, just a little bit, not much, but who knows, we could get that pumpy action. BTC for the moment, still in the range. I am speculating with the overall technical analysis that this level is extremely strong and we could get that bounce. This is why I'm still having that long position open. I do think that we can break up from this trading zone. I do think that we can successfully break above this zone. Now stay cautious right over here. Yes, I mean, this is, we're talking about this range being a shorting level, but we've just had the FOMC minutes. We could see some volatility. Might be a failed break above from the range. It might fail and come back down. Stay cautious, guys. Overall, I'm looking at the technicals on the daily, like I explained before on the live stream, and we're at an insane support level. We got this massive consolidation from the 1st, 2nd, 3rd of October. It's a big daily level. It's a big 4-hourly level. We are holding here, this support higher low trend line. As you can see, we are technically still creating higher lows. We're getting supported from a trend line here at, consolidating at this daily level. That bounce is very, very real. It can happen. Of course, inside of the technicals, we got news today and tomorrow. Ethereum is officially deflationary as more is being burned than being mined. Do you feel Ethereum will explode in price once the market turned around? Hey, absolutely, 100%. Ethereum will be an absolute beast. I know there's going to be many different crypto blockchain projects. You name it, Solana, Phantom, different other L1, Cadena, you name it. Ethereum is still going to be number one, as it's the number one blockchain with more track record and with more security than any other L1 solution. So people are not going to, they are not going to trust all of these new fast, extremely fast, 1,000 transaction, 2,000, 20,000, 1 million transactions per second Ethereum only supports, I don't know what is it right now, but I know it used to be 7, now it's probably 20, I don't know. But anyway, there's the L2 solutions, a little bit. And, you know, Ethereum blockchain hasn't successfully been hacked, right? The actual Ethereum blockchain hasn't been hacked and hasn't had, you know, big issues. The only big issue is the you know, expensive transactions, slow transactions and expensive. But overall, it's the safest out there. So people want safe, you know, they want safety, you know, and it is still fast, you know, all depending on how much gas you want to spend. And it is scalable, but it's, you know, it's going very, very slowly, but it will scale. It's the safest. How many problems has Solana had? How many problems has, you know, Phantom, Solana, BNB? Oh, come on. Binance Smart Chain. What a crap, you know, blockchain. It's highly centralized as it's, you know, one entity, which is Binance, basically. Community that have, I don't know how many nodes they have. Is it about 21 or something like that, which is absolutely ridiculous. They can decide when they are closing, you know, the blockchain. Have you ever seen the Ethereum blockchain being stopped? I've never seen it since I've been in crypto, you know, for almost 5 years. I've never seen you know, someone posting on Twitter or wherever, you know, hey, the Ethereum blockchain is on standby. You know, they're on maintenance. No. This hasn't happened, and it happens on Cardano's doing pretty well so far. Well, Cardano is lagging very much, but I know, yeah, potentially Cardano will do good. But yeah, hey, Binance Smart Chain changed my life. Yeah, I mean, if you have USDT, this happened a couple of days ago. You know, the Binance Smart Chain was paused for a couple of days. If you had, you know, if you have a couple of $1 million, you know, of USD, of any stablecoin on the Binance Smart Chain, and you're seeing it paused, right? You know, you have this entity that is controlling your transactions. Hey, this won't happen on Ethereum. It won't happen on Ethereum. So, decentralization, baby. This is why I am in crypto. I'm always supporting crypto. I've got multiple different friends that are in different projects. You can always bridge, you know, Ethereum tokens onto the Binance or Polygon chain, and I have so many people. You know, I did invest in some. I mean, I just want to talk about this story, guys. I did get into some startup projects, right? As in, you have to invest. They lock the tokens. And some of these projects saying, hey, can you send it through the Binance Smart Chain, you know, and stuff like that, as it's cheap. And, you know, I'm saying, hey, I don't mind to pay, you know, $10 or $15 on a transaction, right? Well, if it's going to be $100, then yes. But if you're going to send 5,000 or 10,000, you know, hey, I don't care about a $10 transaction, okay? It doesn't matter. And on MetaMask, it's usually lower. It's only a few dollars. Yeah, but Binance Smart Chain is just a few cents. And I'm like, hey, you know, I'll just bridge it to Binance Smart Chain and send you the USDT. And it was funny because just a few hours afterwards, they said to me, hey, did you send those funds? Because the Binance Smart Chain is on pause at the moment, so we don't know if we've received them or not. Let's wait till tomorrow. And it was actually paused for a few days, and I'm thinking, hey, I told you I wanted to send them on Ethereum. You would have had those funds, you know, already. Anyway, just, you know, yeah, just, I mean, this is the most legit blockchain at this moment, right? Ethereum. So Binance Smart Chain, you know, Solana has had massive issues. Yeah, you can get a fast blockchain project out tomorrow. Will people be confident in this project? Will people have confidence on that blockchain? For the moment, Ethereum is the number one. Anyway, talking about somebody here saying, you know, Ethereum burning mechanism, you know, is they are burning more Ethereum than mining. Yeah, this is definitely going to have a massive price impact in the future as soon as the bull run starts picking. You know, no doubt in my mind that Ethereum is a $10,000 is a $10,000 cryptocurrency, right? But you know, it's probably not going to be anytime soon. It won't be this year, probably won't be next year. Andy, let's go and pay your tax tomorrow, or tax tomorrow. Yes. Never liked BSC. Yeah, it's because it's totally centralized. You know, and if you have I wouldn't keep a large amount of crypto on the Binance Smart Chain. You know, my you know, 95% of my crypto, I do have some on the Polygon network, but 95% of my crypto is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and inside of the Ethereum blockchain. I wouldn't have much holdings on the Binance Smart Chain or on Solana blockchain. You know, it's just see you later, boys, says Davo. I'm gonna watch a new Thor movie. Hey, enjoy that movie, Davo. I'm gonna wrap it up soon. Also, I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. I've just got into the live stream because it got cut off. I love Polygon Network. Yeah, Polygon Network is, you know, relatively good. Hey, smash up that like button for the new live stream. Gonna wrap it up, guys. We haven't had much volatility on the Funk minutes. Volatility will likely happen tomorrow, 2:30 Central European time. We got the inflation rate decision. You know, yeah, we're gonna see that volatility tomorrow, no doubt. No doubt, we're gonna see volatility tomorrow. I thought there was gonna be a little bit of volatility with the Funk minutes, but it's probably relative. You know, it's related. Sorry, to the last. You know, the last speech that they have had, and there's probably nothing new that they are announcing. So yeah, not much. I'm investing in Galia for the long term, says Mohammed. Is it good? Well, it's a really cool project. I do think that they do. The gaming industry is very is huge, as you know, and of course the crypto will be huge in the gaming industry, no doubt. And Galia is a very interesting project. Why are you always on the right side of thumbnail and smiling in the corner? Bavik, you know, I don't know. Why are you always smiling? I don't know. You know, you got these comments. You know, why are your thumbnails? Why are you always on the right side of the thumbnail and smiling? Hey, okay, I'll be cross next time. Tomorrow I'm going to be on the left side. There you go. You know, you guys absolutely rock. Andy, Elon Musk told me to take both positions, long, short, and to take profits. Hey, I am doing, you know, I am doing a cryptocurrency course. Don't randomly take a long and short position at the same level, because this is it's a recipe to lose money, right? You know, when you know, if you're having a hedge position, you want to create a long at support. You know, say for example, you long in here, right, at this range. Stop loss there behind the wick, and you are shorting at resistance, you know, stop loss above this wick. You know, one will pay off. One will pay off more than your stop loss, no doubt. But placing a long and a short position at the same level is a recipe to fail. It's just a recipe to fail. 100%. You know, I did have my brother, who is definitely not a trader, you know, trying to figure out this kind of strategy, and he was trying to, you know, I'm going to long and short at the same time, you know, and I said, yeah, that's called hitting a support level. You know, you want to hedge this short position for a potential long, just in case you get that bounce. So you're long in here and you're shorting here. You don't long and short at the same level. But anyway, this is going to be explained on a section from a cryptocurrency course that I am making. You know, learning how to hedge positions and making gains while you're longing and shorting at the same time. What has happened to KNC? I don't know. Let's take a look. I was gonna wrap it up, guys, but you know, I enjoy this, having a good time reading the comment section. Oh, it took a large dump. Oh, yeah. Is KNC? Oh, wow. This one got a massive drop the last few days. It got a massive hit. Well, it got a massive hit here in September. Right now, it's got the next massive hit to the downside. You know, this is the scary thing. You know, are you creating a kind of a, you know, not a descending triangle, you know, more of a symmetrical triangle, continuation? This is what we are fearing right now with stock market, with Bitcoin, with Ethereum. You know, as we are, you know, consolidating now for the last few weeks, you know, is this just a continuation pennant? And this is what we're fearing right now. Hey, I cannot short here at support. You know, if we were to get a move to the upside, I would be very much interesting to short a pump hitting resistance levels. Yeah, I could not short down here. It's just, I could not do it. Yeah. You will very, very rarely. I'm not going to say never. Never say never, right? But you're never going to see me, you know, shorting here or longing, you know, at a high. You know, it's just not going to happen. Andy is a legend. Game Pro, you are a legend. You're all legends here. Buy Starlink, Andy. Yes, I do need it. I do need it. My internet is absolutely, you know, I don't know what happens. It does say I've got a good connection, but the cables, you know, I'm living in a village house, guys. Cables must be rotten. Yeah, the rats are eating the cables outside, and they're getting rotten as it's a village house. Pumpy action for the likes. Yeah, pumpy action for the likes, guys. We're just chilling, reading comment section. Not much people leaving, which is good. You know, that's a good sign. Getting that pumpy action. Hey, I'm still sticking to, you know, that potential bounce at least till tomorrow. You know, yeah, I think you know, like I said, my macro analysis here, looking at the higher time frames, is like I showed you. We are at, you know, best example I could give you was June and July, guys. We got higher low wicks here on the daily. We're still creating higher lows after being at this inside of this range now for the last few weeks. We wicked below this higher low support trend line. We got supported from the last higher low level from those dailies, from those daily closes. We got support, guys, on the third retest of the trend line from higher lows and getting supported from those daily levels. Hey, this doesn't mean that this is going to happen again, but I am willing to risk a little bit of my capital with good risk management, defending my trade, getting back in if I do get stopped out and see a consolidation and volatility. There's always time to step back in and trade. If your position is at break even, you know, I have there's always time. You know, this is why risk management is absolutely key, and I hope a lot of people are. You know, when I open Discord, it's gonna be huge, guys. It's gonna be huge. I hope I make an incredible community that start making incredible profits. Of course, I will be sharing my trades. I will be sharing my way of trading, and yeah, it's gonna be. I'm really excited for it. I'm excited to create a nice Discord community. So, you know, so what if this does finally break down? You know, I'm actually in a short position. You know, that will still be making profits. You know, my long trade will get stopped out at break even. You know, this is the, you know, despite the prediction of potentially pumping here and getting a bigger relief pump, you know, it doesn't matter if you're right or wrong as long as you know how to protect your capital. And I need to finish off with that, you know, that nice little outro there. Mark Dutch, I'm gonna open a long on Heineken right now. Is it bullish? Game Pro. Andy owns the village. Yeah, I don't own the village. I would change the whole internet, the whole cables from the village. Nice you live in a village. Good for you, Andy. Game Pro. Yeah, I hate the city. I hate cities. It's good for holidays. It's good to go there for a bit. Yeah, but I'm not a city fan. I like my village. I like having animals. Yeah, this is what I like. Take a loan and go all in on tomorrow at CPI announcement. Wow, yeah, announcement. No, definitely not. Do not take loans to invest in crypto or do trading, because your emotions will be, yeah, they will not let you be successful. You know, I do not know anyone that took a loan and made huge gains on, you know, by trading with that lent money from the bank, right? Just trade with small amounts and back test your trading. I shorted 3/5. That's down my neck 30 minutes ago. When dump, hey, I think volatility, we're at support, we're at a boring trading range. Like I said, trade the range with tight stop losses. It is the best thing you can do, you know, very, very boring. You know, we will try and short the highs and long the lows. It's probably time now after 2 days to have a movement to the upside or to the downside. Stay cautious, guys. We've got pretty important news. I will be doing a live stream during the news event. I am expecting higher levels. I am expecting the price to potentially bounce. Overall, don't trade out of expectations. Trade out of pure technical analysis and defensive trading. Good risk management. Guys, thank you very much for joining the live stream. I will see you tomorrow. Remember, down below, you do have those links where you do get insane bonuses on my favorite trading platforms, which is Bybit and PrimeXBT. You do get very good bonuses, guys. There's up to 7,000 to be claimed. You basically get 7% added to your deposit on PrimeXBT, and on Bybit, you do get $4,380 by following the bonuses at the rewards hub on your profile by signing up. Stay safe, guys. If you do not have any idea of trading or risk management, do not use the links. Do not trade, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in the Telegram and tomorrow on the live stream. Thank you, and I'll see you there.